Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. It has been quite a while and thank you for 100 subscribers, even though we're now on 120. In this short video I will be talking about the Auto Tile Size add-on. This add-on will automatically decide the best size for the tiles when you are rendering your animations and images using cycles. This will allow you to keep a good quality image as well as reducing the render time. While in Blender, press Edit, then press Preferences. Now make sure to select the Add-ons tab and in the search bar type Tile. There should now only be one add-on showing. Make sure to press this and exit out of the Preferences menu. Once it's enabled, go to Render Properties and ensure the render engine is set to cycles. If you wish to render with your graphics card, don't forget to change the device to GPU Compute. Now select the Performance tab and press Auto Tile Size. You'll know it has worked when the blue box turns grey. Now you can render your scene. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any problems, leave a comment on this video and I will get back to you when I have the chance.